Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 best backyard ideas that'll transform your space into paradise. Before that, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Okay, here are 10 best backyard ideas that'll transform your space into paradise. Number 1. Enhance the style. Whether you're starting a job from scratch or you're including a swimming pool to your backyard, make certain it's consistent with the style of your home's building roots to ensure that everything circulates and interacts. Number 2. Build an outhouse. Leave it to commune layout to encourage us that we require an elegant outhouse in our very own backyards. With quite florals, nature-inspired materials, a pop of color, and also sleek artwork, it appears like a wonderful location to practice meditation also. Number 3. Set up a yurt. If your room allows, set up a yurt in the backyard. It'll have a lot functional array, utilize it as a glamping guest room, a swimming pool house, or even just an outdoor living room or entertaining location. Due to the fact that they're much more well-insulated than outdoors tents, however less long-term than an actual structure, you can still hang out in them throughout the colder months. Number 4. Set up an outdoor mudroom. Protect some hooks as well as slide in a bench or set of chairs to let your beach as well as swimming pool gear dry rather than dripping throughout your house. Think about it as an exterior mudroom. Number 5. Focus on landscape design. The backyard is your space to reconnect with nature and relax in the fresh air. So rather than saturating it with furnishings as well as decor, focus on landscaping as well as florals. Number 6. Set up a job workshop. Build a separate workshop in the backyard if space enables. Wreath Designs chose a floor-to-ceiling glass window style, which aids enhanced productivity and imagination, and does not interrupt the aesthetic circulation of the landscape. Number 7. Upgrade your seating. Swing sofas are the ideal blend in between benches and hammocks. Not only are they kicking back and also comfortable, but they can also be aesthetically interesting, especially if you play with range and also percentage. Number 8. Create a flower-covered pergola. The only thing extra incredible than this cottage's swimming pool is the wisteria growing beside it. Shielding a team of restaurant chairs, the pergola provides the best lunch spot. Number 9. Build a tree house. If your backyard opens right into an extensive woodland, or perhaps if you just have a few trees, now's your possibility to build a tree house. Number 10. Hang a hammock. If you have a tiny outdoor space, you can still take advantage of the fresh air stylishly. Hang a slim hammock and then make it stand out with a jute area rug, enjoyable toss cushions, and also flooring cushions for additional seating. That's it. If you like this video, click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have any notifications turned on, so you never miss those upcoming videos. And see you in the next videos.